We will be making this Kusudama, and this one will need 30 pieces of paper. The paper ratio is actually 3 to 2. 3 here on long side and 2. Start off with the color side down, white side up. First of all, we want to pivot this corner and bring this corner, left corner, to meet the top edge. To do this, pivot here, pivot this one, and bring this to the top edge. Aim nicely before performing the fold. And unfold, turn over, and repeat the same. Now perform an angular bisector on this sharp corner here, like this. Make sure this is sharp as well, this corner. And turn over, repeat the same. Do angular bisector for this. Now align it straight. We want to fall from this point to this point. Fold it like this. Now turn sideways and make a fold. Bring all the things and fold up, aligning to the edge at the back. Turn over and repeat the same. Make a fold, aligning to the edge to the back. And make sure this part is sharp as well. Now lift everything up, and we want to fold this part, fold to the back, aligning to the edge, like this. Leave this unfold. Same for the other side. Next, we want to open this part up and do a curl like this. Same here. And to assemble, just take 3 pieces together. You want to insert this part here like this, underneath this pocket. And take another piece, do the same. And bring this first one over to the third one. We will be forming a triangular pyramid. Once you are aligning here, align this nicely, lift this part and insert this. You just might want to just fold this over. And once you assemble 30, you will get this.